Meg, we left HIV research for prevention in Peru last year, talking about innovation, about the promise of this new drug, lenacapavir, that was meant to change and revolutionize the HIV prevention. Where does Kigali find us?
Well, I think we're still in a very good place about the idea of where we're going to go with this revolutionizing lenacapavir PrEP, because we have a product that's been FDA approved. We have guidelines that came out here at the conference where we're recommending from WHO strongly to use len PrEP as part of the prevention package. And we also have recommendations around what kind of testing, using rapid diagnostic tests to make it as simple as possible. So I'm really excited. The other couple of things that have lined up is Global Fund and Gilead have made an agreement so that the 2 million doses will be available starting in the beginning of 2026. There's at least 9 countries who are going to be part of the initial rollout. And there are many other countries that are also working to make sure that PrEP, and len PrEP in particular, is available for prevention. So I think it's really exciting. And the other piece is there's even more studies coming our way, like 12-month lenacapavir PrEP or oral PrEP for a month. So those kinds of new innovations, I think, will keep us working for the next several years to ensure that anybody who wants to have HIV prevention is going to be able to get it.
How do you think that the current landscape, both financially and politically, is inciting in that? And what can we do in the research side of things, in the implementing side of things, and also the community side of things to navigate these traveling waters? What can you tell us about what resources we have at hand to navigate these tasks?
Well, I think it can feel a bit overwhelming because oftentimes when the new guidelines come out, we know that there's going to be funding or that there would be enough resources for the healthcare workers, the supply chain, the systems, the community support, the community-led monitoring, the community-led delivery. And I think all of that we feel is a little bit at risk. But we've also seen here at the conference ministries of health and program managers stepping up and saying that their ministries, their foreign affairs, they're really looking to bring greater funding and greater ownership and greater accountability for their own programs. So I haven't lost hope. I think there's some exciting things that countries are looking to do, and those that even have the least resources are putting PrEP and len PrEP on their agenda. So I think now what we have to ensure is that it is brought to the right people, that key populations are not left behind, that it is used in places that may be hard to reach or last mile clinics, and those may need to have extra support as we move forward.
Prioritizing the needs of the people.
Yep.
Use this as an opportunity to strengthen country ownership, but also continue to both working on integration, but without dismantling the international cooperation that allows for so many of these things to move forward. So we thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And we'll continue at the AIS 25.